In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use discount codes effectively with MoneyGram. Whether you're sending money locally or internationally, who doesn't love saving a little extra cash? Let's dive into how you can do just that. First, we're going to explore the wonderful world of promo code websites and forums. The internet is teeming with dedicated platforms where users share promotional codes that can help you save money. Start by opening your preferred search engine and typing in MoneyGram promo codes. You'll likely see a list of websites such as Retail Me Not, Coupon Chief, or Honey, which are popular spots for finding these elusive deals. Simply click through to one of these sites and browse the available offers. Users on these websites often share both codes they found online and codes they've received personally, and they tend to highlight which ones are currently active. Remember to check the expiration dates and read any specific terms or conditions associated with each code. These details can help you determine if the offer meets your needs before you try it out. Next, let's move on to another strategy that could land you some good deals: following MoneyGram's official social media accounts. Companies often use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to share exclusive promotions and discounts with their followers. By keeping these channels in your regular social media routine, you can stay updated on the latest offers. Simply search for MoneyGram on your favorite platform and click follow or like to ensure you're in the loop. This way, when they post news about a flash sale or special promotion, you'll be among the first to know. It's an easy step that could result in significant savings over time. Now that you have your promo codes handy and you're queued into MoneyGram social media updates, it's time to use those codes during checkout. When you're ready to send money, start your transaction as usual. As you progress through the pages, you should see a field labeled promo code or discount code during the payment or checkout process. This is where you can enter the promo code you found earlier. Simply type it in and click apply or submit, and the discount should be reflected on the total amount almost instantly. This deduction can make a surprising difference to your final bill, particularly if you're making a significant transaction. By incorporating these steps into your routine, not only do you make a smart choice economically, but you also get to enjoy more of your hard-earned money. Keep exploring and experimenting with different promo codes, and stay updated on MoneyGram's social media accounts so you can maximize your savings every time you send money. I hope these tips come in handy. Thank you for watching, and happy saving.